Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Heroku for deploying mobile backend APIs, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with registering on Heroku, open your web browser. Type in heroku.com in the address bar and press enter. Once the Heroku homepage loads, look for the sign up for free button. Click on the sign up for free button. You will be taken to the registration form. Fill in your name in the first field. Next, enter your email address in the email field. Choose a strong password and enter it in the password field. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the confirmation field. Select your country from the drop-down menu. After filling out the form, check for any necessary checkboxes. These may include agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy. Once everything is filled out, click on the Create Free Account button. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Go to your email inbox and look for the verification email from Heroku. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. After verifying your email, you may be redirected back to Heroku. Log in with the email address and password you just created. Once logged in, you will see the Heroku dashboard. From here, you can start creating and deploying your mobile backend APIs. Explore the dashboard for an overview of your account features. You are now ready to utilize Heroku for your backend services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.